Hope you all are clear with factorization. Method of factorization using common factor method and also using identities. Using the identities, there are few questions given in the textbook which are little deviated from our usual forms. If you look into these questions, before that you should by heart these 4 identities in the reverse form. A square plus 2ab plus b square, the algebraic expression, it has to be written as the factorized form a plus b into a plus b. A square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab is x plus a into x plus b. By heart this firstly before doing. When you get a question like this, 16x raised to 5 minus 144x cube, first thing you have to do is compare this with any of the identities that is more suitable for it. Anyway, 16 and 144 are perfect square numbers. X raised to 5 and x raised to 3 are having odd powers. So think of a method in which these can be avoided. That is only possible the common factor to be taken first. So x raised to 3 I am taking out first. So remaining will be 16 x raised to 2 minus, because x raised to 3 into x raised to 2, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n only. Adding the powers gives the x raised to 5. Then 144 is also the x raised to 3 is taken out. So this will come. This is actually of the form a square minus b square. So if you are using this a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, for this part we get x raised to 3, we can write till the end. 16x square minus 144 is same as 4x the whole square minus 12 square. Just rewriting it in this form because we need it in the square form. 144, just writing like that, you cannot find out b directly. So write it in a square minus b square form. Now it is clearly a square minus b square form. So write the answer a plus b. A. Removing that squares, you will get the square roots here. 4x plus 12 into 4x minus 12. This is the answer for this. And again, there is one more common factor in this. X raised to 3 if you take out, there is 4. There is a 4 common in this bracket also because we need it in the irreducible forms. There is reducible form again in this. 4x plus 12 is having a 4 in it. So it will come x plus 3 inside the bracket. Again from this, all our multiplication form, again in this there is a 4. If I take it out, it will be x minus 3. So the last answer will be multiply all the numbers. 4 4s are 16, x cube in the beginning and x plus 3 and x minus 3. This question, this is directly of the form a square minus b square. There is a square for both of them and a minus. So a square minus b square we can directly write. A plus b into a minus b should come as the answer. So for that square form, remove that square form. So you will get a as l plus m and b as l minus m. Write it as a plus b, a minus b, a, b. L plus m plus L minus m. This is A and this is B into A minus B. A plus B is only over. A minus B means L plus m minus L minus m. Since there is a minus, put it inside a bracket. Now you add all the like terms. Plus m and minus m will cancel and this will be 2L. Inside this, L plus M minus L plus M will come. When you remove the bracket, since there is a minus, it is to be distributed. That is actually 2L into this will L will be cancelled. That will be 2M. That is 2 numbers multiply first. 4lm is the answer. Size lm plus l plus m plus 1 is given. In this, there are 4 terms. We group it. Firstly, lm plus l I am grouping together and m plus 1. So from these two, I am taking out l. Remaining will be m plus 1. If there is no number, 1l means l is taken up 1 into l. When you multiply, you should get the same lm plus l. Then already m plus 1 is there in the bracket. So I am writing this m plus 1 itself inside a bracket. That is 1 time. 1 is taken out. So 1 time m plus 1. Then usually we get the same terms inside the brackets. So m plus 1 is here repeatedly coming in both of them. So that I am taking out again as common. The remaining L and 1 will be there inside the bracket. This is the answer for it. Using common factor method only. Next question is 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. How it can be grouped? There are 4 terms in it. There is no identity that is having 4 terms in it. At maximum is 3 terms. First, second and last one is having 3 terms in it, and the third one is having only 2 terms. So whenever 4 term comes, you have to do common factor method. Repeatedly 2 times common factor you have to take out. Then from these two, 6xy and 4y I am grouping. There is a 2 and a y common. 2 is common in both, y is also common. So remaining will be 3x, and from 4y it will be having 2 again inside. Then from these two, if I take plus 6 and 3, 9 is having 3 common. So if I take 2 out, 3 out, 2 will be there inside, minus 3x. But if you look into these parts, 3x minus 2, the irreducible factor, it cannot be further factorized. There is no common factor in that again. But it is just the reverse, 2 minus 3x. Is there any possibility to make it same? 3x should be positive and minus 2 should come over here. For that, you can take minus 3 out. This will become minus and this will be plus. Now you take that these both are same. So take that out. 3x minus 2 is taken out. Remaining will be 2y minus 3. This is the answer. This is using common factor method only. Now look to these questions. First one, x raised to 4 minus y plus z the whole raised to 4. If you look into these, it is having a minus in between separated, but this is fully one term. Y plus z cannot be separated. X raised to 4 minus y plus z the whole raised to 4, only 2 terms are there. This form is similar to the third equation, a square minus b square. So when you see that, at least one minus and another term, write the formula directly, a plus b into a minus b. But it is not directly given in this square form. So you have to write this one firstly in square form. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. This can be rewritten as x squares square. A raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. This also we can write that way. Y plus z the whole raised to 4 is y plus z square, its square, 2 times. This is multiplied. So this is of the form a square. There is one square only here and here. Whatever comes the remaining, that is a and b. A is x square and b is y plus z square. Wherever a and b comes, just write in its place. A's place I am writing x square, B's place I am writing y plus z square. That's a plus b inside one bracket. Another bracket is having a square minus b square, y plus z square. Then there is no possibility to do any further factorization with this x square plus y plus z the whole square. It is the same. x square plus y plus z square. But this can be factorized further because there is a minus in between and both are having squares. Whenever 4 comes, it can be factorized further. So the answer will become, here this is same, x square plus y plus z the whole square in one bracket. This can be further factorized as a square minus b square. The a will be x and b will be y plus z. So a plus b, x plus y plus z in one bracket. Another one is x minus y plus z. Actually, the y plus z, two of them whenever comes, put a bracket. This minus, since it is a minus before that, you have to be very careful. If it is plus, there is no need to put the bracket, but if it is minus, add the additive inverses. So that part will change. Y plus z square into x plus y plus z in one of the bracket. Another one is x minus y minus z. This is the answer.